just as I thought. She's just out of gas. Come on, let's go get a few gallons.
You can't find gas here. You don't get there. And you haven't got the sense of about where you can offer gas and gas, take gas and take gas and take gas.
Huh? Beg pardon?
I said I'm thirsty.
Thirsty? Oh, come to think of it, I am too.
We got a race on it. We're lost.
Shucks, we ain't lost. I carry a map. I'll soon find out where we're at. Let me see now. Burbank, Joplin, nope, Shanghai, Podunk, nope. Uh-oh. Hurry up! Hurry up! Hurry up! Hurry up! Hurry up!
The last one! The last drop!
A soda fountain? Huh. Guess I'll go and wet my whistle.
What wouldst thou drink to quench thy burning thirst?
Give me a double ice cream soda.
Thy wish is my command.
Huh. Hey! Hey! It's gone!
So it is. Wouldst have another?
Yeah, but Hey!
4 more? Thou art indeed thirsty, my friend.
Something's wrong here. I'm getting out of this place. Ow!
The fee. Thou owest me $6.
I won't pay it. Doggone clip joint.
Thou shalt not break any. Thou shalt thou. Off comes thy head.